Hey everyone! Today I'm diving into a topic that's making huge waves in the world of aquaculture. It's all about how the Internet of Things, or IoT, is revolutionizing the way we farm fish. So buckle up and let's explore how these high-tech solutions are not just changing, but dramatically improving fish farming practices. First off, what exactly is IoT? In simple terms, it involves integrating internet-connected devices that collect and exchange data. In the context of fish farming, this means using advanced sensors and machines that can monitor and manage aquatic environments more efficiently than ever before. From water quality sensors to automated feeding systems, IoT is providing fish farmers with the tools they need to boost production while also enhancing the health and well-being of their fish. Let's talk specifics. Imagine having the ability to track the oxygen levels, temperature, and salinity of water in real time. IoT devices make this possible, and the data collected is gold. It helps in making instant adjustments that can prevent fish stress or disease outbreaks, which are major concerns in fish farming. This kind of precise control over farming conditions leads to healthier fish and more predictable yields. Now here's where it gets really interesting. The adoption of IoT doesn't just make the farms more efficient, it makes them smarter. With AI algorithms analyzing the data from IoT devices, fish farmers can predict and plan better than ever. They can determine the optimal times for feeding, the best conditions for growth, and even predict potential problems before they occur. This proactive approach to farming is a game changer. But what about the costs? Yes, setting up IoT systems can be expensive initially. However, the return on investment can be significant. Reduced labor costs, improved fish health, and increased yields all add up, making it a worthwhile investment for many farmers. Plus, these smart systems can be scaled, meaning they grow with your operation. To wrap up, the integration of IoT in fish farming isn't just a trend, it's the future. It's making the process more sustainable and efficient, paving the way for a new era in aquaculture. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional farmer, exploring IoT could be the key to transforming your fish farming venture. Thanks for tuning in. If you're as excited about the future of fish farming as I am, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights into how technology is shaping our world. Dive deep into innovations right here. See you in the next video.